My There was a dream. Now when you go places, you see in the news, you see in the TV, you read the book, you just leave. You just leave. You don't know where you're going. At 17. The only time I went once to Rome, I went to Pescara, a couple of times to Lanciano. It's not that you travel. There
Yeah.
was that I was there, your town, and I go to swim and the beach, but it's once in a while. It's not every day. You can't go. Um, you just go there. We went to Napoli and we took the boat. When I saw the boat, oh my God, it was huge. So it's a destiny. Whatever happened, happened. You didn't know. It's when somebody puts you inside a box and they ship you. You don't know if you get there or not. And so the boat to me was huge, but the ocean was not huge. It was a small boat. The boat was going to go up and down. I was sick all the time. I think the last couple of days, once in a while, there was a lady with us. She was married. She was from New York, and we was 4 girls. We was coming to the boyfriend.
Did you know them from Costa Cesio or you met on the boat? Okay.
But it was more around the area there. But this lady, and so I guess she'd been travel. She had a family in New York. So she used to in the morning say, you know what, girls, even if you get sick, you have to go up and get some here. So they used to go, and you don't see nothing, you just see the wave. If I remember now. The wave, and there was you're in the middle of nowhere. And you just sit and wait at the boat. I get sick. Yeah, so anyway. So when we arrived at Halifax in the morning, we didn't hear the boat. Everything was shut down. I said, oh my God, maybe we sink. And then we all went up. I don't know, some guy, the people they said, no, we arrived to New York, to Halifax. So we all went up in the deck there to see it, and see the light far away. And I remember when I got home, in Toronto, I was so hungry. And I remember Nonna Maria had on top of the fridge, they have those artificial fruit, the plastic. That now it's not used anymore, but then it was plastic fruit. And I remember there was a big bunch of grapes. Oh my God, I was looking at those grapes. Yeah, well, yeah. It was not easy, but I made it. I'm happy that I did it, what I did. And was okay. At that time, it was okay. I was young. I was young and stupid. But one thing, if I had to do it again, I would have done again. I don't regret anything, but I did. I tried to do my best. But till now that I'm 76 almost, I regret I couldn't go to school. That's one thing. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. Even when I came, I wanted to do the hairdresser. I love to fool with hair. That was really living here.
Why?
Because you have to go to school.
Mhm.
And I mean, the mentality that I left Italy, I find way here too. When you live in the same street with relative, not my relative because I didn't have nobody, but
Lolo's family.
Tony's relative, and it wasn't even worse. It wasn't even worse. People they're jealous. People, they're jealous. They want you to be, when you're in trouble, they're happy. They
Mhm.
pretend you to be your friend, to be nice to you, but they're not. They're not.
Mhm.
That's the time they can shovel the knife in your heart and really punch you.
Mhm.
Yeah, so they used to be jealous.
Yeah.
They used to be jealous because I don't fight with my mother-in-law. They used to be jealous of me. I used to feel it, the jealousy in me. I used to dress the first long dress when in the 70s they used to come out the long dress. I remember I went to the wedding with a long dress.
Mhm.
And I still have upstairs.
Mhm.
It was a beautiful long dress. And people used to talk because I have a long dress. Oh wow. And then the next wedding, because then, almost every week, every month we used to have a wedding. And then everybody, all Nono's cousin, wife, they used to have a long dress.
Mhm.
So, but I don't care. I used to dress that way I wanted.
Mhm.
Even when I start to go to work, they used to criticize me, why did I have to go to work? There was nobody's business. I have to go to work.
You liked going to work.
I like to go to work. I mean, I stay home. After I married, I stay home maybe 5 months, 6 months. And I said, what kind of life is this? To stay home for what? At 17, you stay home? My ambition was to go outside, to learn, to see it, to have money. So I never wanted to, to stay home.
Mhm.
Then Donna Maria was home. So we're 2 people in a small house. What are you going to do all day?
Yeah.
So then I started to go to work.
Where were you working?
Working where they used to do perfume and air spray and stuff like that.
Mhm.
Because Zianita used to work there. A lot of people that I know, they used to work there, so they took me there. And I used to enjoy it. I used to like it. That's where I learned to speak English a little bit.
Yeah.
I used to fight. And those people used to say, why did I have to go to work? But that was me. I used to fight back. I said, as long as I know what I'm doing, I don't care what the people said. As long as you didn't do nothing bad, you can walk with your face up and look to the people and say, listen, you can say anything about me, but I know what I am. I know what I'm doing. I don't do nothing wrong. So That's their problem, it's not mine. So that's what I used to do. And that was same thing when I learned how to drive.
Yeah. What was it?
So I said once, I said, no, Tony said, okay, I'm going to teach you how to drive.
Mhm.
But you have to take, I used to, I went to the transportation thing, get the book, to read at the stop, whatever. And no, he didn't help me. So because I guess he didn't want me. He never said no. He never admitted it, but I don't think he was happy me to learn how to drive.
Mhm.
Because none of their relative was driving.
Mhm.
So I was the first one. And so I used to take the book, and when I used to work, and then I changed job. I used to work in where they used to do the fan, the mirror, all the electrician stuff. So she was a French Canadian girl. Mm-hmm. In the morning, we used to take the bus together on Scarlet Road, and she helped me, and I, was steady and things that I didn't understood. So she was helped me and explained to me whatever. So when I was ready in the spring, and I said to no, okay, take me to get the 60 days. Mm-hmm. So anyway, I said, I don't think you're going to get it. I said, okay, if I don't get it, okay. So I went in, everything was right. So I went out. He was waiting for me outside. I went out with the yellow paper, mm-hmm. And I said, I got it. I got it, yeah. So I learned how to drive. So, oh my God, when I took the license, the relative was talking. And then the funny part was, after me, everybody was go to drive license. Everybody got the license. Mm-hmm. And I said, what a son of a gun. They have to first the talk and then the copy. So that's what I learned. My mother-in-law was so happy. Yeah. Because any day said, around 10 o'clock, what are we going to do today? Why don't we go out? Oh, okay, let's go. Yeah, that's my life. Now you know. So, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for sharing it.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to remember good things, bad things. No. But I guess if you don't go through your life, you don't remember anything. Mm-hmm. Life is like what it is, destiny what it is.
You believe in that?
I believe it. Mm-hmm. I do. I believe in the destiny. Whatever after you went through your life, you think, well, a lot of things you could have changed. Yes, because now you have more experience, more things. But it has to be happen. They happen. Mm-hmm. It's nothing you can do. Yeah. Sometimes some stupid thing, yeah, you can change. Because if you have the, if you know it's something is going to happen, why did you do it? You know that's not the right thing to do it. Why you do it? But I believe in a destiny. I believe it.